Hello friends, I am Manjur Hussain Momin, ASP.NET software developer from Nistec Computer Solutions Private Limited. Welcome to ASP.NET Real Estate e-commerce website. Real Estate Investing in Canada is an e-commerce website which is made in .NET 4.8, ASP.NET Storefront ML DNN version and SQL Server 2005. Here you can see the header sections. Here you can see the peel effect. This is the Don R. Campbell's photo, who is the owner of the site. Here you can see the footer section, footer links. The main section of this site is shopping cart. You can purchase the product from this site. This site is not selling real estate, but it provides the information about real estate in Canada. Please click here to see the books which is provided with this site. Here you can see different type of categories: live workshop, home study systems, Canadian real estate research reports, analysis and books. Now I am clicking on this category. Here you can see different type of books, Jewish Secret ebooks and different type of books you can see here. If you want to purchase any book, then click on add to cart button. Here you can see Jewish Secret ebook in your cart. If you want to purchase another book, then click on another book. For example, here add to cart. Here you can see 2 books in your cart. Now click on checkout button. Here you can see 2 books. If you want to edit quantity, then you can click here. Here you can change the quantity like 2, then update the quantities. Here you can see total amount and subtotal. Now click on checkout button. This is final checkout page. Here you can see the list of items which you selected. Here is the quantity, here is the price, total price, the final total here. Now add your billing address and delivery address. If billing address and delivery address is same, then just select yes options here. Then add your payment method information, credit card information. Then click on place order. When you click on place order, it will complete your order and you will get email on ID which you inserted here. In email you will get receipt also, which will show the information about the products which you purchased from this site. I hope you like this video. We are providing software solutions. If you want to make any ASP.NET, PHP or Java website or any iPhone, Android or BlackBerry application, you can contact us on info@nistecsolutions.com or you can send me email on manjurhussain@nistecsolutions.com. Also you can visit our site on www.nistecsolutions.com.